Dear passengers, welcome aboard the little train Kate. Passengers need to have their tickets checked to get on the train. Examine the luggage. Dangerous firework. Firecrackers. Well done. You found all the dangerous items. Where would you like to sit? Thank you. Choo-choo train has a long body. It carries people. The train is approaching Snow Mountain. Please take all your belongings and get off in an orderly manner. Wow, we can build a snowman now. So cold. Please help me put on a warm coat and gloves. Now I'm ready. Let's go and build a snowman. Great! Now we've made the body of the snowman. Next, let's find some branches to make the snowman's arms. Is to make the arms for the snowman. Wow! You found all the branches! Drag the branches and stick them in the snowball. Let's choose a pair of beautiful eyes for the snowman. The snowman will look better with a nose. Finally, let's add some decorations to it. Wow, you've made a beautiful snowman. We are arriving at the loading area. Please load the goods onto the train. Great! You've loaded the goods! Passengers need to have their tickets checked to get on the train. Where would you like to sit? Thanks! We are arriving at the delivery spot. Please put the goods into the forklift truck. Thank you for the delivery. The train is approaching Desert Slope. Please take all your belongings and get off in an orderly manner. Let's have a sandboarding race! Candy! Kiki! Cool sheep! Yeah! Ready! Great! You finished the race! Let's attend the presentation of prizes! You got second place! Well done! Uh-oh, the track ahead is disconnected. Choose the correct track to connect it. Oops, that's not the right track. Try another one. Good job, you fixed the track. Passengers need to have their tickets checked to get on the train. Examine the luggage. Gasoline. Utility knife. Firecrackers. Well done! You found all the dangerous items. Grassland pasture. Please take all your belongings and get off in an orderly manner. Let's milk the cow and make some milk tea. Cow is a little dirty. Let's clean it first. milk tea! Brick tea! Milk! Butter! Salt! Stir it! Great! The milk tea is ready! Let's eat! Please pour me a cup of milk tea! We are arriving at the terminal station. Please check your belongings before you get off. Miss Everyone, this is the end of our journey. See you next time. Bye.